Be ready for dictation. 5 seconds.
Start. A plant was married to Mrs. Rupa Malhotra on 4/7/1973 as per Hindu rites. Full stop. The marriage was also registered with the Registrar of Marriage on 4/9/74. Full stop. On 21/3/1992, Mrs. Rupa Malhotra lodged a complaint with the then chief of the air staff against misdeeds of the appellant and prayed for maintenance as well as appropriate action against him. Full stop. Para. In the said complaint, Mrs. Rupa Malhotra stated that in the year 1990, she came to know that the appellant had developed illicit relations with one Miss Kanchan when he was posted at Ambala. Full stop. She strongly objected to their illicit relations, and on account of that, the appellant started torturing her brutally. Full stop. The appellant was posted at Nagpur on 12/11/1990. Full stop. The complainant also came to Nagpur from Ambala and started residing with the appellant at Nagpur. Full stop. Since 1991, appellant started asking complainant for mutual divorce. Full stop. However, she did not agree for the same. Full stop. The appellant started beating her brutally and torturing her mercilessly because of Miss Kanchan. Full stop. Para. It was further stated in the complaint that in the year 1991 itself, Miss Kanchan came to Nagpur and started staying with the appellant and complainant Mrs. Rupa Malhotra at their residence at Nagpur. Full stop. The complainant strongly objected to this and requested the appellant not to have any relationship with Miss Kanchan and told her to leave Nagpur. Full stop. When complainant could not bear the torture, she sought an interview with the then Air Marshal I.G. Krishna, Headquarter Maintenance Command, Indian Air Force, and narrated her plight to him. Full stop. Younger brother of the appellant came to Nagpur and told the complainant that if she files a complaint against her husband, his career would be spoiled. Full stop. He also promised that Miss Kanchan would go back to Kerala. Full stop. However, it was noticed by the complainant that the situation did not improve and appellant continued his illicit relations with the other woman, that is Miss Kanchan. Full stop. When the complainant had gone to Kanpur, she was Miss Kanchan with her child residing in the parental house of the appellant at Kanpur. Full stop. At that time, she realized that she had been cheated by the appellant as well as his brother. Full stop. The appellant abused the complainant in front of Miss Kanchan in filthy language. Full stop. When they were at Kanpur, appellant and Miss Kanchan used to sleep in one room and complainant was asked to sleep in another room. Full stop. At Kanpur, the appellant told the complainant that the Miss Kanchan and married. Full stop. While they were at Kanpur, appellant and Miss Kanchan were behaving as husband and wife and going to hotels and various other places together. Full stop. The same thing continued at Kanpur. Full stop. The complainant tried her best to keep her 19 years old marriage intact, full stop. However, it became impossible for the complainant to survive in that situation, full stop, over.